All right, this video won't take long because creating social media shouldn't take you all day. You want to use the right software, the right AI, and the right system to generate amazing social media posts that get people to like, comment, and remember you. And that's what I'm going to show you in today's video, how I use my friend's software, a little AI, some words that I say on Loom, and then we create the perfect social media post. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. I've been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, worked with over 2,500 brands. You can always check out more about me here. But in today's video, I'm gonna share my screen and show you exactly how I make my social media post from the audio, the words that I say. And if you want this full prompt that you can copy and paste into your business, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send you all my prompts so you can steal them legally. You ready? Let's dive in. All right, so first things first is we're gonna head over to this Google Doc. And this is my Google Doc. What I do is I copy this entire thing once a week, twice a week, or 3 times a week. Usually I make about 3 of these per week. Now I've created one for you that you'll get when you comment system and get that link where you're gonna go and fill in something about you, something about your business, and a little bit more to give AI exactly how to write this post using your words and targeting your ideal audience. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna come put it in ChatGPT here. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to one of my Loom videos. You can do this on a YouTube video that you made. You can use a Loom video that you did. Most people that use this, they use like their Otter or Firefly, whoever joins them in Zoom and records their meeting. You can really go back to any meeting you've had on Zoom or Google Meet. You can copy that transcription. The goal is to copy the words that you said. That way it's an original post from you and you're not stealing it from anyone. And then most importantly, we're not having AI make some random post using AI words. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste that full transcription in here. And like I mentioned, you can pull it from YouTube, Loom, or one of your meeting notes. Now what it's gonna do, it's gonna create a social media post based on the words that I said, but most importantly, I gave it a little direction in here. What we wanna do is we always wanna start our social media post off with a hook. We wanna tell a story. We wanna educate. We wanna make it relatable. We want really good format so it's easy to read. And then we wanna encourage engagement. What we don't wanna do is encourage people to click a link or buy from me or get a sale. What we want to do is hear their thoughts and get them to engage so we can build a better relationship and they don't think we're selling. Because that's the point of social media, is to build better relationships. And when somebody wants to work with you, they'll remember you because you post so much value. Now we've got an awesome post. So this looks really good. It's got a good hook, it's got a story, it's got some education, and it's building relationships. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm not just gonna go post this on X. I use my buddy's software called CreatorBuddy. And what he did, he actually used AI to make this, which is really cool. I'm gonna put this post in here and I'm gonna see if it's any good or not. So all I have to do is click X Algo Analyzer and it's gonna analyze my post and give me tips to see how I can improve this even more before posting. Okay, now it's analyzed my post. It said my tone is 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10. Seems like we hit the mark here. A couple things we could do is fix the engagement. It's telling me to do a better call to action. I usually skip that because I just want to educate. I don't really want them to really do anything from that. So I like this post. A couple things I could do is fix the formatting and maybe change the tone a little bit, but I'm pretty happy about this. Another thing I like to do is check to see if it's gonna go viral. This is a really good tell to tell me if I need to make any last changes before I post it. Okay, it's gonna give me a quick score here. It's gonna say above average, how to improve it, and it's gonna show the likes and distribution over time. I think this is a great post. What I'm gonna do is head over to X and I'm gonna paste it in. Now, a couple things that I don't like is I don't like it when AI adds emojis. So what I'll do is I'll come back here and I'll just change these to dashes so it looks more natural and not so much like AI. Another thing I like to do is use a relatable image. A lot of people out there are just posting text-based posts and they're not getting as much engagement anymore. So what I usually do is take an image from my screen share, from my Loom, from my YouTube video, whatever I know I'm describing in that call, and I'm gonna go copy and paste that image in here so it's relatable. So now they know exactly what I'm talking about because this is what I was talking about on the Loom. All right, so what are you waiting for? Grab that prompt down below and start trying this for your business. Whether you use a software, AI, ChatGPT, doesn't really matter. Use the prompt, use the words that you say with your audio. That way you know it's not stealing from anyone. AI is not making it, and it's coming from the words that you personally said. That way you can continue building better relationships with your audience using social media. So if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe. And if you want to learn more about this X and X ads, different things like that, you can check out my playlist here. And until then, I hope to see you on the next video.